Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your earbuds LG TONE Free. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case. Now close the case. And your earbuds now are disconnected from your phone, and we can check that information at the device list. If you have Apple devices, you will see not connected, and on your Android device it will move from my devices to save devices, and it also means that your earbuds are disconnected from your phone. Now open the charging case and reconnect to your your earbuds will reconnect to your phone after you remove it, and we have connection. And with this method you can fix a lot of small trouble with your earbuds. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.